Hey everybody, welcome back to Cam's Garage. I'm sure you're probably wondering, why is there a ceramic bowl sitting here? I got a commission from a patron. They wanted a base for this ceramic bowl that looked like a lotus leaf because this looks like a lotus flower. So I have some reference that I got off the internet. I'm going to try to carve this with the angle grinder. I'm going to draw some lines on here that are going to represent the high spots, I guess. I think I'm going to drill a depth hole because I want the bowl to sit down in here. I'm having difficulty seeing my lines, so I might help myself out if I mark the edge as well. This is the high spot, get a low spot there, and a high spot. Well, it's the next day now. I got a significant amount of work done on this yesterday. Unfortunately, my back was sore last night. Still a little sore today from leaning over and using the drill to sand. So, a lot more sanding to go yet.